Kevin. I'm the Global Director of Community here at VIPKid. Get a big hello!
Today is all about the Journey Conference.
I hope today has been uplifting, educational, and fun.
I was walking through the hallway, and on our floor, I heard so many different teachers teaching from their rooms.
You're gonna crack the egg, and we have a little prize inside. What is it?
It's a $50 bill.
It's really important that we join together to work on these things together, because as we do that, we lift ourselves up, we lift our students up, and we bring our communities closer together around the world.
Before the age of 7, we were all geniuses in learning foreign languages.
Hold it a little bit below the middle, like this. Yeah, like this. We're really excited to announce a partnership with UNICEF Kid Powers.
We can work together to create a better future for kids and for ourselves. Thank you.